Hi, this is Danish. Please like and subscribe my channel. So today I will discuss about letter of explanation. There is no certain pattern about letter of explanation. You can make by your own. So I just give you examples what I have done and to explain the proof of fund and letter of explanation. Now I'm talking about this letter. This letter, what I have done, actually, if you see that I have written over affidavit. This is for the spouse. If you are showing your spouse account also in your profile or in your application, so here you can write the affidavit in a simple white page or computer page. No need to give affidavit on the stamp paper. Simply you can write it. You can read this easily, I think. Then you have to write your name, passport number, and your national identity number and some like that. And so this is used for those are showing a spouse account. The spouse account not under the like a joint account. So the spouse have a separate own account on her or his name. So you have to attach this letter and POF. And the second letter I will show you how I explained the proof of fund. So you can see what I have written here. So here the bank name, you can write the bank name here, account title. Suppose this account belongs to you, principal applicant, and other account belongs to spouse. So you have to mention the account title. If you guys have a joint account, so you can write the account title as a joint account. And here I have written that I have provided the statement from 1st May 2021 to 25th November 2021. So I have written that the statement, period, duration, or you can say period or duration, and the total balance of at the end of 25th November, that was 150 1.5 million around about. And you can see how I convert to CAD, and I have mentioned that I have converted this on 25th November 2021. So you can see that. And so where I have converted this amount, so I just Google it and write this amount, so it's convert to CAD. So I just mentioned there, and in the end what I have done, written the full amount. So if you look that my account is more than 47,000, but we are the 3 people, and I have to show 21,000 something, or I think 20,300 something. Anyway, I just want tell you that, so keep your amount more than double if you can. Okay, you can show multiple accounts. It doesn't matter that either it's principal applicant or spouse spouse on the name of the spouse. So you can show every account, and you can even you want to hide some accounts, so it doesn't matter, you can hide it. But I suggest, if you have a little amount other banks, you can show. So because the threshold, you can say that the amount is bigger, and if your currency depreciate, so it will cover up, so it will be fine. Some people I saw, they open a new account and they do not touch that because they are using this for proof of funds. So For if you look for me, only I have this account. I didn't touch. This is fixed amount, and it's the foreign account. So you can say that it's a saving account. Rest all my accounts are like daily usage. So it's up and down, up and down, up and down. Hope you guys understand. Please like and subscribe my channel. And this also I print out in the one white page and just write here and the signature and then scan upload. Thank you. Have a nice day.